What's up everyone? This is Sakura Yubi. I know it's been a while since I did my last cooking video. Great to be back here. Today I'm going to show you how to make oysters marinated in oil. This dish is full of umami and goes really well with alcoholic beverages. If you like oysters, you will love this dish. So let's get right into it. First, put some oil in a heated pan. Then add some chopped garlic. When the garlic starts to give off nice fragrance, go ahead and add oysters, the juice and all. I'm using defrosted steamed oysters here, but you can use raw ones as well. Add a little bit of white wine and cook the oysters just until they are cooked through. Then take out the oysters. Don't throw away any of the juice from the oysters. We're going to use it to make a delicious sauce. So turn the heat to high and add some oyster sauce, soy sauce, and rest of the juice that came out from the oysters. Cook this until it thickens like this. Then add the oysters back into the pan. We're going to coat the oysters with this sauce. Once there's barely any liquid left in the pan, turn off the heat. Let's go ahead and transfer them into a container. Then sprinkle some peppercorns. I'm using a mix of multicolored peppercorns, but you can use any type of peppercorns you like. Especially pink ones and black ones go really well with these oysters. Then add a few bay leaves on top. And then pour olive oil to cover the oysters. And we are done. This will keep for a few weeks in the fridge. They will taste better the next day, but I'll have a little taste right now. It was amazing. We concentrated all the flavors from the oysters, the oyster sauce, white wine, and soy sauce. Each oyster is packed with tons of flavor. You can't go wrong with this one. And that's it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!